But as you can see, there are just so many strong ties, or you can see so many strong ties with the Netherlands everywhere. Did you know, for instance, that we are the biggest export partner in the European Union? That you're our main economic partner in the US? And that Dutch investments now account for more than 100,000 jobs in Texas? Did you know that? And did you know that geographically speaking, we're actually not that far away from each other? The Caribbean is home to 3 countries that are part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands: Aruba, Curaçao, and Sint Maarten. In fact, the economic affairs ministers of Aruba and Curaçao are with us here this evening. I was surprised to discover that a special bond goes back as far as 1840, when Texas and the Netherlands signed a treaty of friendship, trade, and navigation. It is wonderful that our relationship is still flourishing after more than 180 years. Texas is a magnet for talented Dutch people. Dutch tech companies like to do business and invest here. Companies like NXP, ASML, Philips, and others. They know from experience the special ecosystem you have and feel right at home. Conversely, there are many successful Texan companies operating in the Netherlands. I do hope that this visit will help strengthen our ties even more, and will perhaps also alter the image that some Dutch people have about Texas, of cowboy hats and Cadillacs. But just look at Texas today. Your state is now the biggest producer of renewable energy in the US. Houston is aiming to take the lead in the energy transition, and Austin is becoming a real cycling city based on the Dutch model. This morning, Mayor Adler updated me how this is coming along. It is precisely this new orientation that offers opportunities to strengthen our collaboration even more.